If the biomedical waste is not taken care properly, then it is hazardous.
A recent visit of the area near the PGI incinerator revealed discarded syringes, bandages, cotton, catheters, medicine bottles and even bags for blood and urine. Such biomedical waste is dangerous because it can spread infection and also because drug addicts may pick up discarded syringes to inject their narcotics. Medical waste in the open means that people are exposed to serious diseases.
It again goes back to the same issue that we should have a good or the state of the art of a international standard biomedical waste material, because if we do not take care of this biomedical waste, it tend to produce various infections.
The World Health Organization has given the classification of medical waste into various categories. The biomedical waste comprising needles, syringes, saws, blades, broken glasses, nails or any other sharp item that can cause a cut. Pathological: tissues, organs, body parts, human flesh, fetuses and blood. Pharmaceuticals: drugs and chemicals that are returned from wards, spilled and outdated, contaminated. Radioactive: solids, liquids and gaseous waste. Others: waste from offices, kitchens, rooms, etc. The medical waste disposal has posed even more difficulties with the appearance of disposable needles, syringes and other similar items. The biomedical waste, if managed improperly, can certainly pose a threat to the employees working there and also to the people surrounding that area. Infectious waste can cause diseases like hepatitis A and B, AIDS, typhoid, etc. Flies also sit on the uncovered piles of rotting garbage. This also leads to fatal diseases like diarrhea, cholera. In the moist conditions, mosquitoes also transmit various infections like malaria and yellow fever.
जो भी इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं, प्राइवेट हो या गवर्नमेंट हो, सभी को ये रूल्स फॉलो करने हैं और ये जो मेडिकल वेस्ट है इनका एक प्रॉपर डिस्पोजल करना है.
A common practice of reusing the syringes from the biomedical waste and later selling it to the drug addicts has been in. Many drug addicts reuse those syringes that can cause HIV and other dangerous and contagious diseases.
हमारे घर 2 लड़के आते थे, वो ये नशे का सेवन करते थे, ठीक है. उनको देख देख के हमें भी वो हो गया, ठीक है. उन्होंने हमारे को भी लगाना सिखा दिया, ठीक है. वो सिरिंजें यूज़ करने थे उनकी, तो हमारे को भी ये प्रॉब्लम होगी. अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं?
Repeated attempts to contact the PGI's medical superintendent Dr. A.K. Gupta and bring the dangerous situation to his notice came to naught. His PA would only say that the MS has declined to comment. A notification to this effect issued by the Ministry of Environment and Forest says that the Biomedical Waste Rules 1998 apply to all those persons who generate, collect, receive, store, transport, treat, dispose or handle biomedical waste in any form. Regarding its treatment and disposal, it says, biomedical waste shall be treated and disposed of properly and in compliance with the standards prescribed in the rules. Regarding its segregation, packaging, transportation and storage, it says, biomedical waste shall not be mixed with other wastes. No untreated biomedical waste shall be kept stored beyond a period of 48 hours. These rules, a response to the directions of the Supreme Court, make it compulsory for all large hospitals to install high-heat incinerators and burn all waste. The penalty for failing to do this is fine of ₹1 lakh and an imprisonment up to 5 years or both for any violation of the provisions. The rules also provide for higher penalty in case of continuous violation.
The least the government can do is to dispose of the waste and follow the Biomedical Waste Act in letter and spirit. With camera person Shravan Kumar, this is Shagufta Nair, Day and Night News, Chandigarh.